YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm back with another video for y'all. Alright, so I know it's been a while, man. It's been a while. Alright, but right before we get into this video, guys, if you're not already subscribed to my second channel, make sure you scroll down in the description below. Click that link, it's gonna take you right over to my second channel. Why don't you just smash that subscribe button for me? Also, guys, a huge shout out to jellyfam_tmac1 on Instagram for winning the giveaway. Congrats, bro, and happy holidays to everyone out there. I apologize, I haven't been posting these past couple of days. It's been a rough week, but I'm back now, man. And also, guys, if you want to get your 216 Wavy merch, that is also down in the description below. Just click that link. It's gonna take you over to his website. Also, if you choose to purchase anything, don't forget to use my discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your purchase. Alright, so today's video is just gonna be a quick little reaction to this straight hair waver trying to get waves, and I'm just gonna see how it goes. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Progress. I know I'm a couple days late. My progress is on. It's every Thursday, and it's Sunday. Well, Monday when I'm recording.
My man's talking mad slow, man. Talking mad slow.
And this, so yeah,
Yo, cool dude. He cool.
I know, very late, but I'm pretty sure you guys what I'm working with, man.
Let's see what you're working with, bro. His hair is super laid with no waves. Let's continue.
Y'all see that?
See what, bro?
Hair doesn't look straight right here anymore.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I do see it curling a little bit, but
Let me whip out the comb so it's easier to see.
what about the comb? It's super silky.
Yeah, I'm finally able to comb my hair after 6 weeks.
Oh snap! He's 6 weeks in and there's no ripples. Alright, y'all. First things first, man. Don't focus on combing, alright? So what he's doing right now, he's just combing his hair out, thinking it's gonna do something, but it's really not doing anything. Alright, his hair is not even tangled up. Okay, he has no ripples, no nothing. There's no need to be combing right now, man. Just brush. Like, he's not putting in no brush work. That's why he's 6 weeks in with no waves, man. Come on. Yeah, just brush, man. That's all you need to do.
I think I'm gonna start using my medium brush because it's been 6 weeks now. My hair's longer. Let's see. I'll see. This feels too hard for me, but yeah,
Quick tip, guys, if the brush feels too hard for your scalp, put it down and pick up a medium brush, man. Don't hurt your scalp.
It's been 6 weeks, and after 6 weeks, you can see my hair doesn't look as straight anymore, so
Yeah, I can see that a little bit.
I'm getting there, So yeah, I don't think I'm just gonna insert a little brush session, So yeah, see y'all later.
Where's your mirror, bro? He has no mirror. Brushing with no mirror. And he expects to get great connections, man. Or maybe he does have a mirror. I don't know. With the way it's looking, I don't see no mirror.
Alright, y'all, so before I close out today's video, I want to show you guys my crown.
Yeah, let me see your crown. Let me see your crown.
But yeah, that's pretty much my crown, you know. I'm gonna hit you guys once I got my rag back on. Alright, y'all, so I'm back, you know. How to shake.
Guys, I apologize, man. I was wasting my time. Should I even upload this, man? Hey, man. I did not think it was gonna be that terrible. I'm sorry, man. But yeah, man, that's it for this video. Thought it would be better than that, but hey, man. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy. We out here. Peace.